Hi everyone, I'm Asan Mahmood and I hope you're doing great. So I'm excited to show you AutoShip, a one-click Amazon to eBay automation platform. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through the problems sellers face, the market opportunity, our solution, and the core modules that make it work. So let's start with the pain point. Today, a typical dropshipper spends around about 10 to 15 minutes manually copying each Amazon product into eBay, titles, descriptions, images, prices. That manual process causes errors, mismatch prices, and out-of-stock issues that definitely lead to bad reviews and even account risk. And for the new sellers, they definitely get stuck at just a few listings a day and cannot scale. So if we talk about the opportunity and market size, the opportunity is definitely huge. The global dropshipping market is projected to reach $557 billion by 2025. And about 33% of online stores use dropshipping for fulfillment, and 23% of e-commerce sites rely on it as a primary model. On Amazon, there are roughly 5 plus million active sellers, with almost 4,000 new sellers joining every day. Third party sellers accounting for 50% of Amazon sales, and about 34% of those use dropshipping, translating to roughly 95 billion in revenue as far as back in 2029. On eBay specifically, performance data shows that the top 10% of eBay dropshippers average almost 8,000 per month, around $92,770 per year, and about 25% makes almost 1,000 plus profit per month. Typically, profit is 2.67 per order, and top owner hits about $3.64 per order. This partnership is our answer. In one click, a seller can import a product from Amazon to eBay, title, descriptions, images, and price instantly. We auto price for profit margin, monitor stock and price in real time, support bulk uploads to scale, and help sellers stay compliant with Amazon and eBay policies. And if I talk about the competitors, this space has evolved over time with tools like Zik Analytics, Hustle Got Real, and AutoDS with continued SaaS expansion from 2020 to 2024. Where Autodrop stands out is our emphasis on true one-click listing, live repricing tied to fees and shipping and compliance guardrails, and a scale-first bulk workflow that helps part-time sellers become full-time businesses. For the future roadmap, looking ahead, we are building boost listings, a feature designed to improve eBay search placement. The goal is higher visibility, more engagement, and definitely ultimate higher profits. And for the go-to-market strategy, our GTM focuses on where sellers already learn and buy. Partnerships with e-commerce trainers and dropshipping communities, freemium upsells like guides and webinars, and enterprise outreach to large eBay stores. We will support adoption in both local and global e-commerce market. So now let me show you the magic in action. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to first load our extension. So we have to use the dist file, and as you can see, our AutoShip extension is successfully loaded. So now let me just log into AutoShip. So as you can see, this is the main pop-up page of our extension. You can see different sections here, and there are some most important sections in these. If I talk about the country section, then the country will be automatically selected according to the user's location. So if the user is from USA, then the USA will be selected. And yeah, the most important section in this is the pricing setup. If the user want to list products, then he definitely have to first set up the markup percentage so that this markup percentage will be applied to every product that the user list, so the user don't face any losses. So as now I'm going to list products, so I will be setting the markup percentage. Let's say I set this to 200, and I will simply click on set value, and now I will be going to fetch some products that I want to list. So in the Finder page, we have two sections. The first one is the Amazon search URL, and the second one is the AutoShip searcher. So for the first section, user will simply provide us the URL and tell us the number of products that he want to scrap. So it will give the products according to the URL that the user give. And for the second, user will have to simply provide the title or keyword and tell the number of products that he want to fetch. Then we will get the products according to the title. So now I'm going to use this title one. So let's say I want to fetch some products of title boxing, and now I will tell him the number of product that I want. And here we have provided some filters, so user can also use them. And now I will simply click on run. So you can see that it successfully fetches all the products, and you can see it fetches price, rating, and reviews of every product. User can click the button and see that product on the Amazon page. So now I want to list all these products. So what I will be gonna do, I will simply click on this button, add all Amazon URL to lister. So it will take us to the lister page, and you can see that it put all the URL of the products into this section. And we also provide some more filters here. User can also use them according to his needs. So I'll simply check it, and now I want to list all these products. So what I will gonna do, I will simply click on list. So you can see that it opens our first product, and now it will be going to try to list this one. You can see it opens that page, and now it is using AI title optimizer, and now it will select the best title, and after that it will list that product. You can see that. User don't have to do anything. User just only have to select the products and simply click on the list button, and all the things will be automated. User don't have to do anything manually. So we are on the eBay listing page. Now it will try to put the information of the product. You can see that it's uploading the images. You can see that it is now putting up the price with the markup percentage, and it is now filling the required fields that are required for a product to get listed on eBay. And now it will going to click on the list button. So you can see our first product is listed. So now it will move on to the second product and try to list this one. There are some other sections like the image template that I told you before, that user will simply use this to create his own custom image templates. So by clicking on the add border, and user will like change the color or increase the thickness, and user will also add the images of like the product that you want to list, and user will set this image template in his own way that you want, and user can also download the template. So you can see that our template. So yeah, in the listing setup, user will if the user want his own custom listing setup, then he will definitely fill these required things, and that required things will show in these products. Let me show you. As now we are not using the custom listing setup, so it is using the default one. Let me show you. So this is the default one, default listing setup that he is currently using. So if the user want to use his own custom image template, then he will fill these required things and click on and check this box. And for the image and for the boosting listing, we are currently working on it, as I told you. So we are currently improving this one. And yeah, the scanner one, if the user want to search the products of the sellers that list their products, then he and user simply put the seller name in this section, and it will fetch all the products of the seller. So yeah, this is all about AutoShip.